Hi there kids. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can do work at home on a piece of paper and then take a picture of it and have it in your Google Slide presentation that you are assigned by your teacher. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start from our Google Classroom, and you're going to go to the assignment that your teacher gives you. So I'm going to click on this assignment here and it will open up the Google Slide. So to begin, you'll probably have some directions, information about what you're supposed to do. I'm going to go to the first problem. So in this problem, it asked me to do a Math Mountain problem and then write my equation and and solve the Math Mountain problem and then take a picture of it for my teacher. So once you have done your work on a separate scrap piece of paper, you can go up to the Insert menu, which is right up here, or you can also use this little picture icon. And if I click on that, there's going to be a camera button. So I'm going to go up and click on camera. Now, the first time you use this, it's going to say, do you want to allow googledocs.com to use your camera? And we want to say allow to that. So that way then we can use our camera on our Chromebook to take our picture. So I'm going to say allow. And there I am. Hi, everybody. So what you're going to do then is you're going to hold up your picture. And if you see how I can move it in really nice and close to get a really good picture, and then I take my mouse and I click on the camera button. So I can go ahead and click one time, and then there is my picture. Once it's highlighted in blue, I can just say insert, and then now that picture is going to be in my slide. So there's a couple things I can do with that picture now. I have the ability to move it around. So if I take my mouse and I see these four squares here, or the four arrows, I can move that around. I can also change the size of it by getting two arrows. Now, just to note, this is much easier if you have a mouse at home that you can connect to your Chromebook. So if you don't have one, that might be a good idea for your family to purchase for you. But it makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to grab my two arrows and I can shrink the size by pulling it into the middle, or I can make it bigger by pulling it away. And the reason I want to grab the corner is because the corner will stretch the sides to be the same. If I grab a side square, it's going to make it really wide. So if I click and drag this here, it's going to stretch it out really wide. Or if I drag it in, it makes it really skinny. And so that's really hard to read. So I can always use the undo arrow to fix it back the way it was. So I'm going to say grab a corner to make it resized. Now the other thing is you can see that part of my face is in here. If I double click on it, I get these crop handles. And crop handles, what they will do is they will remove part of the picture. So if I grab my side one, I can actually trim out some of the extra space so that all I have is my assignment. Now you can see this shaded part is what's going to go away. The highlighted part in the middle is going to stay. And if I click, there we go. And now I can take my double corners and make it nice and big. And I can just move it over to the side. And now my teacher can see what my equation is and what my Math Mountain picture is. Once I'm done with that, I can go to the next one. Let's see if I got it here. And again, go up to the camera, go up to the Insert Picture menu, and then choose the camera. That way then you can add in a picture for every one of your equations. All right, hope you guys find this helpful. We'll talk to you later. Bye.